It's our third day today here in Osaka, and we are going to Universal Studios. Yay! Universal Studios fit check. Mukhang nakapang gym kasi it's a very tiring day today. Let's go. We're here at Universal Studios, Japan. We're here at the Universal Studios. Hey, you're gonna ride the shark na. You want to walk? Let's walk.
No, it's mine.
You want to ride the shark?
No.
Up, up. Adi. Bye-bye. We're gonna eat at Moe's Burger for lunch.
That's mommy.
Is that mommy? Yeah, say hi to Abuelo. Kiss Abuelo.
Fish.
Wow. Sweet naman ni Daddy. Lunch muna before ride. Tinanggal ko yung kamatis. Kasi nagtitrigger ng GERD. Sarap talaga ng Moe's Burger. Favorite ko talaga ito. Hindi ako mahilig sa burgers. Pero Moe's lang tsaka Burger King ako nakain ko. Kasi may lettuce. Di ba, Habs?
Ako lang.
Pero ako lang taga-order siya, taga-bayad.
Siyempre.
Can you tell them what you're eating?
I'm eating.
You're eating nuggets.
Eating yogurt.
Very good. Is it yummy?
Oh no, harder.
Are you excited to ride the shark ride? And the Donkey Kong ride? Are you excited?
The monkey Kong.
Monkey Kong. Very good. Okay. We finish na your nuggets. We'll go na. Ang mga init na init. Ang init sa Hogwarts.
Where'd you go? Look, huh? Snow.
Yay! We're gonna ride this one. We're gonna ride the cupcake. Hi, Daddy.
Ba't ang bilis ng kanila?
Sobra sila mag-ano eh.
Madali.
Daddy, see?
Ang bilis na sa kabila. Time.
We'll ride the horse. Daddy! Our brave girl. Gusto niya sa frog. Ang taas-taas ng frog. Look at my, ano. Daddy! Very brave ang baby. Wow! Wow! What does the frog say? Raymond! Water World! Merienda time!
Daddy. Daddy.
Face lang, face.
Magkano to, Hubs?
3,000 kaya dito.
Isa?
Lahat.
Ah, lahat na daw. See, mas mahal dito inside. The food here inside is expensive. Madi ate mamon already.
Madi, delicious yummy.
Isang flavor lang ka?
Dalawa yan.
Bacon,
Bacon tsaka ano? Tuna.
Daddy dance, Maddie. We're in Minion Park. That's right na. That's right na. Okay, dahil na kami mag-Universal and marami sana kami sasakyan kaso hindi pa pwede si Matt.
Lan na ako sa Harry Potter. Last na yun sa buong buhay ko. Promise.
Bakit?
Basta sa mga tao daw pumunta din.
Ang daming rides kahit pang bata pero hindi pa pwede si Maddie kasi hindi pa siya pasok dun sa height requirement. Siguro mga 3 years old, no?
Tatalsik siya pag sinapililit.
So yun, mas kid-friendly pa rin talaga yung Disney pero kung more on adult rides naman kayo, okay dito. Going home. Maddie's going home. OMG, ngayon lang ako nag-vlog kasi nagutom ako. Yung kay Habi naubos niya.
Hindi natapon yung akin.
Tonkatsu for dinner. Hi, Daddy. Enjoy lang. And Maddie, look. Maddie has no plate. Day 5 today. Outfit check. We're going to Nara today. Nara Park. Let's go. First things first. Ah. Ha? Yes. Daming restos dito sa building. Breakfast. This is our usual spot.
What's my turn?
Maddie loves animals talaga. Look. Maddie. Hi, Mother. Welcome to Nara.
Go shopping.
Okay. Shopping sa Nara.
Here, not Nora.
Ayun na, oh.
Shopping tayo ng beer.
Kain muna kami ng lunch. We'll eat here sa ramen. Diba? Hi, Mase. Hello. Sarap. Habi. Habi. This is for Maddie. For Maddie. This is for Maddie. Bang.
Thank you.
Sarap ng ano, soup.
Di ba silang kami? Same lang.
We're here in
Palaw mo daw extra. Si mami extra ka.
Kamukora noodles.
Yung daddy extra na karte. Extra na karte.
What are you eating?
Nung nag-English ito, sabi mo, iba daw ang English niya. Iba daw ang English mo.
Singapore.
Again.
Chinese.
Go!
Nanawa na sa rice.
Eat yummy. Go. Show the camera. Gamit din ang smile. I-open niya yan. We're done. Opo. Babayad na si Gareth. Thank you, Habs, for the lunch.
Thank you for the lunch.
Wow, ganda mo dito, Mian. Grancha. Daddy!
Matcha.
Daddy's matcha.
Matcha. Galing magkutsara, oh. No?
Very good. Okay, the first deer. Hi. Arigato. See the deer?
Hindi sila takot. Hindi sila takot sa tao.
Hi, say hi. No, no touch. No touch. Or you say hi to the deer. Hi, dear. Oh, look, oh, it's looking at you. Maddie, it's looking at you. The deer. There, oh.
Wag ito. Oh, wag ito.
Don't touch, don't touch, no touching.
No touch.
Shadow ka matapang, baby.
No, don't touch.
Don't touch, don't touch. Walking bird.
Meron na lang tatlong
Umulan kasi
cherry
kanina.
blossoms. Ah. Habs.
Abuli mo. Oh.
Bako tayo sa ano, yun o.
Come back, come back. Buddy girl, come back here.
Sabi, tignan mo. Sobrang daming
Kung
deers.
kailangan benda, kailangan benda.
Ayun, oh. Kakamouflage lang sila. Pero ang dami. Wait. Ah, there. Parang sarap maging deer. Relax. We're going to the other side. Wow.
Ano yan?
It's a nice
Ang
view.
talaga. Magang malapit ang
Hindi ako eh.
Napagod ang bibila. Nakahabol sa deer, tsaka sa ibon. Asus. Merienda sa McDonald's. Libre ni Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. Mami. Sleeping baby. Mami, may ano pa, pula. Ay. Wala pala. Change.
Arigatou ございます。こちらに3程度とブラックミルクティーです。
Arigato.
ありがとうございます。